This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Today I'm showing you how to make Dalgona coffee. It's that viral TikTok whipped coffee using instant coffee granules that everyone's going crazy about. To start, you'll need some instant coffee. You can use the regular coffee granules like these or the finer instant coffee like I'm using here. The recipe is super simple. You just need equal parts of coffee granules, sugar, and water. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of warm water into a mixing bowl. From here, all you need to do is whisk. You can use an electric hand mixer if you prefer, but it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to do it by hand with a whisk like I'm doing here. To serve, get a few ice cubes in a glass, pour in some milk, and then spoon the whipped Dalgona coffee on top. So before I stir that up, I just want to take a minute to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions of people come together to take the next step in their creative journey. Recently, I found that the drawing, writing, and journaling classes have been a great way to help manage stress, practice mindfulness, and feel connected to others. One class that I've really been enjoying is called Creative Writing, Crafting Personal Essays with Impact. Roxane Gay, a New York Times bestselling author, teaches you how to find your story and write to make a difference. What I really love about this class is that she not only gives you practical writing tips, but also goes into depth about how your stories can really make an impact on the world around you. There are hundreds of other writing classes like this, but there's also dozens of other subjects to explore on Skillshare. And if you're one of the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description box below, you'll get 2 free months of premium membership so you can explore your creativity at home. I'm going to be testing out a few other coffee and tea recipes on the channel over the next few weeks, so I'll link to that series down below if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments if there are any other interesting drinks recipes I should know about and that you'd like to see. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, consider subscribing and feel free to connect with me on Instagram at chef.studio_.